Hello everyone, in this video you will learn how easy it is to use your OXYVA. First, press the lever, then slide the door up to access the device's liquid capsule. Fill it with clean, drinkable water. The water level should be just below the orange marker. Filling your OXYVA with too much or too little water might cause water leakage. When closing your liquid capsule, make sure it's closed tightly. You can check this by turning it upside down and shaking it. If no water comes out, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now place your liquid capsule back into the device and make sure that the ridges are aligned with the device's ridges. Once inside, slide the door back down until it clicks to make sure that it's secured properly. Next is putting in your CO2 cartridge. Make sure that your device is turned off. Then unscrew your cartridge cup. You may notice that there is a rubber O-ring in the screw neck. This may be black or gray. Make sure that you're using a new CO2 cartridge. It shouldn't be punctured yet. Put your CO2 cartridge in the cup and slowly screw it tightly enough for your device to be put in place. Then we're going to give it a good twist and you may hear some hissing from the back hole. This is fine since your CO2 cartridge is pressurized. Next, we're going to press the on button and you'll see some bubbling and hear some more hissing coming from your water cartridge, meaning that you're ready to start your OXYVA application. Make sure that you follow the correct angle by using the stand as a guide. Not following the correct angle may affect the delivery time. Next, you're going to be inserting your thumb into the device's applicator opening and press the applicator against your skin as needed. As long as the skin is healthy, if you're using your OXYVA on an open wound, just make sure that the device is not touching the wound. One CO2 cartridge is one full application and will take 4 to 6 minutes. You can do it while you're sitting on your sofa, watching television, at your dinner table, and even while in bed. You will know that you're done if the bubbling subsides. Once you're done, turn it off. Allow the device to cool down for at least 2 minutes before removing the used cartridge. Then you're ready for your next application. Don't hesitate to contact us if you have any questions.